Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are continuing on with my little video series about journaling. So far, I have done one about journaling in itself that, you know, I can't even, it's early in the morning. I'm very sorry. This may go badly. Journaling in itself that there are no rules to journaling, basically. I did one on household items that you can use in journals and things that you could make that you can use in journals. So today I thought I would do one of art items that you might have around the house that you can use in your journal. Now, if you have kids, you probably have all kinds of art items, or you yourself are an artist, or you're a card maker, anything like that. You may not think of these kinds of items to use in your journal. So I grabbed a bunch. So let's get started. I have a list on my phone. Okay, so first are stencils. I have all kinds of stencils. I did not grab them all, and I wanted to. But I have all kinds of stencils. All kinds. See, this is plaid, brick, wavy lines. This one I really like for journaling. Then you journal in these spaces. There's Christmas ones. This is my newest one I just got that I haven't even opened. It's like, can you see that? It's coffee rings and writing. I just got this one from Temu. And my absolute new favorite is this. Let me grab a piece of paper so you can see it. See that? It makes lines. So it has little, they're not little, I mean they're thin little strips. It fits an entire piece of paper. See, this is 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, and it makes 27 lines on your page. I used the crap out of that. But this is for journaling. These ones are not, for the most part. You're using them to maybe art journal, but you can still use them. My point is, you can use them in a regular journal. You don't have just have to use these for art journaling. I do have an, oh wait, I have an example. Hold on. I just got done with this commission journal. This is the second time I've shown this in a video because I did make, where is it? I did use the stencil. Here it is. In this journal, I used this one here that I got in my Simple Stories mystery box to decorate this that I basically thought that it was like a pot, a planter. So I used that and walnut stain to decorate this. So that's the way you can use that in a journal. Like I said, it doesn't have to just be for art journaling. You can use all kinds of things in your journal. All right, and then next, the art items, watercolors, okay? All different kinds of markers. These are my alcohol markers. They're cheap ones. They work perfectly fine for me. Oh, I have, are you ready? Are you ready for it? This toolbox filled with, it's huge. And it's an old Craftsman. That's how old it is. But it is filled with paint. All different kinds of paint. If, though, you are going to be using paint and stuff in your journal, and your journal has, like, maybe you want to use, like, your journal, you want to prep your journal page, I suggest gesso. This one was really cheap and it works great. It was really cheap on Amazon. Okay, so paint, any kind of markers, watercolors, Those kind of items are great to use. Also, these three things here are used a lot in card making, but you can use them in your journal. Embossing powders, glitter glazes, lunar pastes, hold on. Okay. These like Nouveau drops or pops of color. All of these don't have to be just used in card making. You can use these to decorate your journal. Lunar paste would make a great edge. So putting some color around the edge. You can stamp something out even in your journal and emboss it. These can make little dots all over your page, or even writing on your page, or stenciling. You can use these for stenciling. Okay, there's all kinds of things that you can do in your journal with items that you would normally think you could only use for card making. It's not true. You can use all kinds of stuff. Let's see, what else do I got? I have bingo daubers here. I don't have one on hand, but no, I think you can get them at the Dollar Tree. Also, I forgot to grab these. These are watercolor pencils. So along with the watercolor paints, you can do watercolor pencils and watercolor crayons. I don't have those either, but those are 3 different watercolors. My only suggestion to you is make sure you're using thicker paper. If you're going to watercolor in your journal, just make sure it's just a little bit thicker of paper, better quality. Don't be using it on like thin composition book paper that you put in your journal. That's just going to bleed through, and it might bleed through to other pages. So protect your pages. Okay. There's that. And then these things here. This is tie-dye spray. Okay, I got a bunch of these on clearance at Michael's, and I use them to dye paper, but they can also be used to decorate. Let me see, where'd that paper go? Actually, I'm just going to use a piece of scrap paper I have sitting here. Okay. Hopefully I don't make too much of a mess because I don't have a box to spray in, but see? And I did make a mess. Let me clean that up before I ruin something. Okay. Look, you just spray it on. Decorate an entire page with that. It's beautiful. Like, and they have all different colors, and if they don't have liquid ones, you can actually buy the powder and spray bottles like this. This spray bottle is just water, but it came from the Dollar Tree, so you can buy little spray bottles at the Dollar Tree and make your own tie-dye sprays, and they work great. I mean, put them in a thing to protect your surface, but they work amazing. I have a bunch of different colors. Here we go, and here's a pink. See that? So it works perfectly for decorating pages. Okay? And then on top of that, I have this aqua pigments. You can also use in your journal. I don't use these often. But it's just a little bit of I don't know what, like, pigment is, ink probably. Anyway, this is a Brutus Monroe. I got it a long time ago in a Brutus Monroe mystery box. I don't get them from there anymore, but I used to get them from there all the time, but not anymore. So there you go. Those are a bunch of different art items that you can use in your journaling. I'm not an artist. I'm gonna tell you that right now. I'm not an artist, so I really had to. Oh wait, I'm missing something. Am I not? I am. I'm missing something. Hold on. I forgot about these. So you can also use stamps in your journals. Don't think you can't. I have, and I wanted to show you, this is how I store my stamps, and it works great for me, but I store my stamps in photo sleeves by category. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. All of these different texture stamps, writing stamps. There's this one, this one. These have little textures. This one has a calendar. These I like to use for watercoloring. And I just got another one. Hold on. And I just got this one. I just got this one on Temu. Let me open it. And I'll put it away while I'm in here. Sorry about the glare. But this one I just got on Temu. It is stitch line stamps. So these are amazing for working in your journal. I'm just gonna, put it that way. So these are amazing for working in your journal. They're really work very well, and then gives you all that, the look of, if like, especially if you don't sew, that one that the last one I showed you works great for giving you something that looks like stitch lines. If you don't have a sewing machine and you don't sew. Okay, so that is it for this video. I'm probably missing a bunch of stuff, and if I am, please leave it down below, because as I said, I'm probably missing a bunch of different art items. I'm not an artist, so I'm not super familiar with everything art related. So yeah, if you think of something, please comment down below, and thank you for joining me today. I hope you're liking this series. I think I have, hold on, let me check. I think I have one more video to go. Yes, I have one more video to go that combines two different ideas, basically on journal making. So look forward to that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Please like, subscribe, and have a great rest of your day.